In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Let's go! First step, you're going to want to open up the door handle, grab your pry tool, and then slip it in to the trim piece, cause some separation, and then do the same thing on the top, and that's going to release this trim piece. Just like this. Open up the door handle, grab your pry tool, and scoop up this trim piece, and that's going to expose your T30 bolt. With your gasket stick, slide it in between this trim piece, twist the gasket stick towards you, causing some separation, and that's going to release this trim piece. So we have a T30 bolt here, here, and here. Let's take them out. With your pry tool, open up the bottom left corner. That's going to cause some separation, and then with your hands, open up the rest of the panel. Lift firmly from the door handle, and that's going to expose your door gasket, and then grab your gasket, just like this. Place your door panel tab on this lip right here, and this is going to allow the panel to sit securely without falling down. And then you're going to grab your door panel cover to protect your entire door panel from getting any type of water damage. Ready for bottom loading.